Sovereign Korea Corporation for immediate release, December 20, 2020 California, USA Declaration Law and Order, Make America Great Again We, the Sovereign Korea Corporation, a provisional government of the Republic of Korea. Hereby declare and proclaim, as represented by the International Lawyers Forum in California, that Mr. Donald J. Trump, the incumbent 45th President of the United States is, in fact and in law, elected as the legitimate second-term 45th President of the same United States of America. This is the truth. This is the justice. Thus, we are in full support and agreement with Mr. President for his definitive actions against the national emergency. We admire his courage in staying in the proper boundaries of law and order. It is further declared and pronounced that the best answer to a coup is a martial law, as this message was advised by us as well as by prominent counsels to the President. The martial law is proper and necessary, as such standard is required by the Constitution under the circumstance of a war or insurrection. The authority and power of the martial law may occasionally supersede the Constitution with certain limitations. The court-martial would have the supreme judicial authority over all treasons and crimes. No unlawful insurgencies must be permitted. No foreign intervention shall be permitted. A special prosecutor can be appointed as well. Executive orders are good but may not be sufficient for draining the swamp and cleaning the slate. Definitions are vitally important, whether you proclaim a national emergency or declare a martial law. The U.S. government and our corporation agreed in defining CCP virus as the trigger and silent declaration of the Third World War early this year. We further define the deep state forces conspiring with CCP as the principal enemies of the U.S. and all other free democratic countries. No insurgencies or riots of any kind on the proper soil of the U.S. should be permitted. Similarly, no allies of the United States should suffer from the threats and terrors of the communists, including China and its conduit pirates in the Korean Peninsula. The Pyramid regime does not represent the ROK. The country is completely devastated due to the express communization process. The country is completely devastated due to the express communization process. We note that the President still holds the handle of a sword than the edge of it, as is the case with President Park of South Korea. It is imperative, now more than ever, that the incumbent and legitimate President of the U.S. may use his unique sovereign police power to get hold of a firm grip of the security of the beloved America. Know all men that there shall be blessings of Almighty God over the patriotic affairs of President Donald J. Trump, the crusade commander of the freedom and liberty of the United States as well as all other freedom-loving nations of the world. Know all men that your positive and outspoken support to President Trump will save your own freedom and your own lives in your respective nations. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and many more to come. Declared solemnly under oath, Sudeok Jang, Attorney at Law, California, USA, on behalf of the Sovereign Korea, a provisional government of the Republic of Korea.